Hey, I'm Julia, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade here in Las Vegas. I am here in a South Summerlin home, and this one's a little different. We just finished installing our brand new AZ shade right here over the living room. So what is the AZ shade? It's our economy motorized shade. Same high quality materials we use in our power screens, just without the zipper track and the hood enclosure. That keeps the price down while still giving you a beautiful functional shade that actually does the job. And honestly, being here in this living room, you can see exactly why the homeowner wanted this. The sun coming through these windows was brutal. Now, one button, the shade drops, and the whole room transforms. This is Apollo Factory Direct. We measured it, we built it, we installed it. If you're in the Las Vegas area and want to talk about what we can do for your home, give us a call at 702-595-7534 or visit us at apolloscreen.com, Las Vegas. Our showroom is located at 900 Wigwam Parkway, Suite 135, Henderson. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you soon.